we're given the task of finding the sine of 2u, the cosine of 2u, and the tangent of 2u, given a fact that the cosine of u is equal to negative 2 over 3, and that angle u is in quadrant 2. So I'm going to draw a triangle, and my angle, it's a right triangle, my angle is u, the adjacent side is 2, and the hypotenuse is 3. And I'm going to put a big fat Roman numeral 2 in there so I don't forget that my angle is in quadrant 2. My opposite side is going to be the square root of 9 minus 4, which is the square root of 5. And here we go. We're going to start with the sine of 2u. The sine of 2u is equal to 2 times the sine of u times the cosine of u. The sine of u is the square root of 5 over 3, and it's positive because sine is positive in quadrant 2, times the cosine of u, which is negative 2 over 3, because cosine has a negative ratio in quadrant 2, which gives us negative 4 times the square root of 5 all over 9. Negative 4 times the square root of 5 all over 9. That's the sine of 2u. The cosine of 2u is equal to cosine squared of u minus sine squared of u. And the cosine of u is negative 2/3. So I'm going to put negative 2/3 in there, and then I'll square it, minus the sine of u, which is the square root of 5 over 3, and then I square it. I get 4/9 minus 5/9. 4/9 minus 5/9 is negative 1/9. And the cosine of 2u is equal to negative 1/9. Negative 1/9. And then the last one is tangent of 2u. Now I could very well do sine over cosine and use my quotient identity. However, I do want to take some time and at least practice with that identity, because there are going to be times when you need to know it. So the tangent of 2u is equal to 2 tangent of u, and you can prove this one too if you wanted to, using your sum. In place of 2u, put u plus u, and you can prove this. 2 tangent, or derive it. 2 tangent of u over 1 minus tangent squared of u. The tangent of u is going to be opposite over adjacent. So 2 times the square root of 5 over 2, that's my numerator, over 1 minus, the tangent is still square root of 5 over 2, but I'm going to take that and square it. So the 2's cancel out in the numerator, and I have square root of 5. And in the denominator, I have 1 minus 5/4. 1 minus 5/4 is negative 1/4. 1 minus 5/4 is negative 1/4. So I've got the square root of 5 divided by negative 1/4. Dividing by negative 1/4 is the same thing as multiplying by negative 4. So negative 4 times the square root of 5. That is what the tangent of 2u is equal to. And you could verify that by taking the sine of 2u and putting it over the cosine of 2u. And you'll see that, yep, you're going to get exactly the negative 4 times the square root of 5. Okay, the next one is for you to try. I will come back in another video and provide those answers for you. Very important for you to try those and make sure that you've got them right. On the next video, I'm just going to pop them up on the screen, and actually I'll probably work through them. I'll probably work through them for you. We're going to say that u, however, you need to know this, u is in quadrant 4. Okay, U is in quadrant 4. So if you turned off the video too